This is where everything begins. Raw materials arriving for the Land Cruiser's strong body and frame.
These machines cut and prepare metal parts with extreme precision.
Each material is carefully measured to meet Toyota's strict strength and safety standards. Once prepared, every part is sent to the next stage, venturing body construction. Automation helps keep the process fast, safe, and perfectly organized. High-pressure presses shape the body panels that give the LC300 its bold design. Engineers monitor every detail to ensure strength and accuracy. These panels now move toward welding and assembly. Robotic welding ensures a rigid and durable frame.
The Land Cruiser's legendary toughness starts right here.
Every engine is fitted and tested for perfect performance.
This is the heart of the LC300, its powerful engine.
Luxury and technology come together inside the cabin.
These systems give the Land Cruiser its off-road dominance.
The vehicle now takes its final shape.
Multiple paint layers protect the vehicle and perfect its finish.
The Land Cruiser identity is sealed.
Every detail is refined before inspection.
Precision alignment ensures smooth and safe driving.
Every Land Cruiser is thoroughly inspected.
Now it's ready for delivery worldwide.
And that's how the Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 is made. Sheet from raw steel to legendary performance.